So your license is suspended, but you got caught driving. Police officer pulled you over, saw that your license was suspended, and gave you a ticket. And you might be asking yourself, can I go to jail for this? You want to know the answer? Hi, I'm Steve Richardson, and I'm a traffic court attorney here in southern New Jersey. Well, whether or not you go to jail for driving while suspended can depend upon your driving record and the circumstances. If you were not suspended for drunk driving, then it depends upon your record. A first offense, driving while suspended, does not involve jail time. A second offense, it can involve up to 5 days in jail. And a third or subsequent offense is 10 days in jail. So the more of these convictions you have on your record, the more likely you are to face going to jail for it. And these never go away. They're on your record for the rest of your life. So as they build up, if this is your first offense, you're okay. If it's a second offense, you could be looking at jail, but definitely on a third or subsequent offense. Now, let's say that you were ticketed for driving while suspended and your license was suspended for drunk driving. Well, if your license was suspended for drunk driving and it was a first offense drunk driving, and this is the first time you've been ticketed for driving while suspended on drunk driving, then you're only facing 10 days in jail, usually. It's enhanced. You would get, in other words, if you were facing any jail time ordinarily, you would get that. So let's say you had a third offense driving while suspended. This is your third. You would get 10 days for that. And then you could get anywhere from 10 to 90 days on an enhancement because you were driving while suspended on a drunk driving. Now, if it's the second time you're convicted of driving while suspended on a first offense DUI, or your license was suspended for a second or subsequent drunk driving, then it's actually a fourth degree crime under New Jersey law. And you could end up spending 6 to 18 months in jail for that. And on top of that, on top of the jail time and the fines and everything else, your license can get suspended on top of that for another term. So it's not something that you want to have happen to you. So there is a risk of jail under certain circumstances for driving while suspended. So if you've been ticketed for driving while suspended here in southern New Jersey and are concerned about the consequences, please feel free to give my office a call at 856-432-4113 so we can discuss it further and see what kind of strategy we can form to keep you out of jail for your driving while suspended ticket.